it's me and Glam Goat. Meh, 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 meh. Jawbreaker. Meh. And the little pink princess dragon. Oh yes, we're going to do a collab using Jeffree Star. That Jawbreaker. It's true. That's exactly what we're going to do. We were invited to a collab with several other ladies. We picked each other's numbers basically randomly, either by drawing them out of, drawing numbers, or by using the random number selector on Google, but they were all chosen randomly. Nobody just, picked out numbers for shades for someone else. So it's all random and it's all in fun, and all of us have this palette, and we were all like, yeah, let's get her out and use her. So you guys go take a seat, and I'm going to try to put up here, somewhere up here, this is going to be where the 5 shades that were chosen for me by Mama Vapes Beauty, Beth, who's, obviously in this collab, and yeah, I already have some primer on my eyes, and whew, so yes, here we go. What to do first? There is nothing. There's like nothing that's a really good transition shade, so we're just not even gonna mess with the transition shade, because what you gonna do? So I think the first thing that we're going to go in with is going to be Wow. Because, why not? She is a very nice yellow. And, I kind of have a little bit of a vision of what it is I want to do, but, not really sure. So, we're going to put Wow under the brow, kind of towards the nose area a little bit, and So here it is. What do you think? Jawbreaker. Really, I do love this palette. Those probably were not the colors I would have chosen, but you know, this was actually my first Jeffree Star palette, and I really enjoy it. So let's take a look. Oh. Whew, things are falling. These lashes are not not in total cooperation, but you know, one saving grace was I had a nice topper shade, which, you know, you put enough sparkle on anything, I'm good with it. So there's that. I hope that you'll watch the playlist, which will be in the comment section below, and see what everyone else did. It was a lot of fun. Tell me a comment. What do you think? Would you have gone differently with these colors? Maybe put the yellow and orange on the lid and put the raspberry in the crease. And what I thought was a black turned out to be like a really super deep purple. You know, I thought that went okay in the crease. Kind of deepened it up a little bit, but there you go. So, let's go see what everybody else did. Ooh. Meh. 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 Hey, you guys, y'all know the drill. Subscribe to the channel. Come back and have some fun on our little adventure in makeup. And until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing. Wake up dancing. Ba-boom, boom. Wake up dancing every single day. Bye-bye.